Consume all the corpses.
What's up, everybody? Today we'll be doing a Let's Play of Diablo 4. Season restart. Should have happened today, and so I am going to be... Okay, 1 second, chat. I'm just going to figure something out real quick. I just got to fucking... What time does the new season of Diablo 4 start? Okay, 10 a.m. PDT. Fucking 10 a.m. So yeah, again, like this, like with the last stream, this is gonna just be mainly a just gameplay based. Alright, yeah, these side dungeons are just fucking, they just take forever to clear out though. That's the main thing, man. So I think I'm just gonna clear out just as many as I can. Alright, cool. Alright, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and deposit that ammunition then. Guys, it doesn't seem like there's much. That was kinda gay. Gay! Alright, let's go do this dungeon. Well, time to clear the dungeon. Oh, Wilted Raven! Holy shit, man. How have you been? I haven't seen you in a while, man. I know, as you can see, I am currently just, I'm just grinding on Diablo 4, man. There has to be a way inside. I like my minions, though. It's a good thing I do, because I got minion buffs. Thank God. Alright, cool. Well, to be honest, I might end this stream early, because I'm not playing Diablo 4 but I'm definitely gonna be streaming for the whole night. You can see that's why you don't fuck with the frog. Cool. Yeah, that was like a fuckload. Oh, boom. Bumbleclot.
Consume all the corpses.
Alright. We got a boomer.
I need time to do that.
I need time to do that. Diary be big.
Travel to the Umbral Vault.
Nope.
Alright, well, that was a waste of time. Alright, leaving the dungeon. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did it again, so I'm gonna let this beat drop. Alright, I mean, fuck, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and do this one. Alright. I've been doing dungeons for the last 45 minutes. And I only got 3 done. Wow. This is the type of game that you really need to grind on. Oh my god. Okay, world tier 4. Oh my god. I can't do this. Alright, I guess we're gonna be doing 2 of those and then just claiming the Grim Favors at the Whisper of Trees, and then yeah, we're just gonna log out.
Yes, sorry.
Alrighty. Bro, no. We have to keep going. Fuck.
Just kill all of
Oh my god, dude, this thing is fast. Damage immunity. Oh. That was pretty quick. That was a lot of fucking XP. Okay, fuck. Alright, we're gonna do one more and then I think we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it at that. Alright. Druid, rogue. Oh, fuck. Yeah, Yeah, we're just gonna do this one. Fuck. Travel to the corrupted depths. No, man, you ain't even worth the time.
I need time to do that.
I need time to do that. Oh my god, we're gonna have to go all the way back. Oh, I guess I just gotta fucking... God damn it. I gotta go around this bitch. Fucking being sturdy with it. In this case, I did have some, which is good news. That is good news. That was a lot of gold. I'm almost there. Almost. So close. I'm so close. I'm so far away. Do not have enough animus. It's right there. It's right fucking there. It's right there. Fuck. Oh my god, dude. Finally. Dude, I'm gonna have to deal with a big ass boss too. Oh. Let's go. Even in the dungeon. I'll be honest, man. I think I might call it that. I'm really fucking tired, dude. I am so tired. Oh man. Alright, let's go to the Tree Whispers, because... Alright.
It is done.
Collection of helms, leg guards, rings. Let's do strength. So we are... That's good. That's very good. What? I just unlocked it. Wow, that's cool. That's another board attachment. Here's another board attachment. Wow. Okay, cool. So I think we will head to... Go to the cathedral. Oh, that's right, because Inarius is dead. It's a better time than ever to call it a night. So, this has been Diablo 4, everybody. The season restart will be happening, you know, in like less than 7 hours. So, with that in mind, stay sharp, stay classy. Deuces.